Today we will see how to create a custom field, and in a custom field we will see uh, different types of custom fields. What is the use of custom field? So first we will see it step by step. So first we will see what is a custom field is. So if you can see here custom fields are a fields that you can add to your record and transaction to record information specific to your business need. Custom fields can be created for records or for transaction. Record custom fields can be added to your existing and custom subtab on the entry form you use to enter record in its account. Transaction custom fields can be added to the top, body or line item column of transactions, and custom fields are based on available standard fields and field types. So you can see here the standard field types of the custom fields. Custom fields is nothing but nothing actually used to store information for that particular record. Okay, and in custom field you sometimes if you select create a, suppose you have select, there are different types of custom fields you can create here based on their types. One more type is select, and you can select the list for that custom field also. We will see it later. So these are the types for standard field types, like date time, time of day, free form text. These are the standard type of fields, and amount of info hold is 30 characters you can store in free form text. And if you create a type as a select as a text area, so you can hold up to 4000 characters in this. You can create a rich text type of standard field also. You can store 100,000 characters in that. Long text, you can store more than 1 million characters you can store here. Decimal number, you can create a decimal number of, you can hold up to 21 digit from this. So you can store a digital decimal number here. You can create a type as an integer number or percentage automatically. So now we will see how to create a the custom fields. So to create a custom field, you have to follow the path. Go to the customization, then list, and first type is the entity field. So first we will create an entity field. In previous video we will cover the list part, so you can see our previous video to understand how we create a list. So now we create an entity field. So you can see here are the existing entity fields are we have created here. So if you want to create a new entity field, just click on new button. Then you can see the page to create a new entity field. So suppose you can see, if you see this tab apply to, so you can see all the record on which you can create a entity field. So suppose you want to create the entity field on customer. So first we will open any new customer here. So list, relationship, and customer. You can see the existing customers are open here, so you can open any customer here. Okay, suppose this is the customer. So now we will create any field on it. So first we will give a name to that custom entity field. For example, we will create as a test and test location. For example, we will give it the type as a freeform text here, and in ID, if you want to mention ID, you can mention here. Otherwise, Netsuite automatically give the ID to that particular field. If you want to mention the description for this field, you can mention in description field here. Store values, basically you suppose you want to store a value for this field. If you not store here, the field is only for read only. You can't store the value. If you check the checkbox, the field is appear to the show in list in the list part. Suppose you want to apply this field to the customer record, so we just check the checkbox, and in display field these fields are there. Insert before means suppose there is already a custom field, someone is creating already a new custom field. So if you want to insert before this field, you can select here. If you want to add this field under a subtab, new subtab, so you can add here. So we just click on save button, and we go to this record, and then we just reload this record. If you go to the custom, you can see our filters appear here. So thank you so much guys, and in next part we will see how to create a item fill.